So, sit back and relax while we share the top 16 benefits of deadlifts that you may or may not know. The emperor of all exercises should be incorporated into your training immediately if you want to skyrocket your strength, muscle growth, and athleticism. Clearly, we're discussing the deadlift. The rewards of mastering these moves go far beyond the simple satisfaction of knowing that your strength has surpassed that of every other lift in the gym. They are full-body movements that test and improve the strength and durability of your complete body. But before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. 16. This is a complete workout. In addition to strengthening your lower body, deadlifts are great for toning your upper body. When you do a deadlift, you're working your lower back and upper back muscles because they support your torso while you pull the weight off the floor. Your shoulders will have to work hard to keep your arms locked in place, and your biceps will feel the strain as they stabilize your arms during the pull. 15. Building leg strength with the deadlift. Strong and dense legs are the product of a deadlift routine that focuses on the lower body, specifically the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. If you want stronger legs, you should include deadlifts in your workout routine. Researchers observed that after 10 weeks of deadlifting twice weekly, participants had greater fast torque capabilities in their knee extensors and flexors, quads, and hamstrings, leading to a greater vertical jump. 14. Gain back strength and reduce risk of injury. Maintaining a healthy and robust lower back is crucial, especially as we get older. There is a high prevalence of lower back pain due to poor core strength, excess body fat, and prolonged periods of sitting at a computer. Incorporating deadlifts into your exercise regimen has been shown to reduce lower back discomfort and stop it from returning. You should remember to keep your lower back in a straight line as you perform the exercise. If you deadlift with a rounded lower back, you greatly increase your risk of injury. Functional exercises like the deadlift are useful in many contexts. Carrying groceries, changing a tire, moving furniture, etc. will be less risky if you do this. By working out both your upper and lower body, you're preventing muscular imbalances and making your muscles stronger overall. 13. Extra calories burned. The deadlift is an excellent calorie-burning exercise because it engages so many muscle groups simultaneously. Moreover, fat loss is proportional to the number of calories expended. And since muscle is what burns calories even when you're not actively moving around, deadlifts are a great way to boost your BMR. According to research published in 2014 in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, after 9 months of resistance training, the average subject's metabolism increased by 5%. 12. Anabolic hormones are secreted. Anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone are released during deadlifts because they use and stress so many muscles. More strength, muscle, vitality, and libido are just a few of the benefits of increased testosterone and HGH. 11. Deadlifts make you more athletic. According to research published in 2011, deadlifting has been linked to increased performance in a variety of athletic tests, including the 40-yard sprint, the T-test, the vertical jump, and the medicine ball throw. According to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Yoga and Physiotherapy, since a deadlift is applied to a perpendicular plane to the body but loaded in a horizontal plane, it may be more useful for horizontal-based sports activities like sprinting and jumping. 10. Increased stamina. Although deadlifts are more commonly associated with strength than conditioning, by increasing the number of reps and sets you perform and minimizing the time of rest in between sets, you can improve your muscular and cardiovascular endurance. Deadlifts work so many muscle groups that performing heavy repetitions quickly exhausts the lifter. According to a study published in Sports Medicine, deadlifts boost endurance athletes' abilities. 9. Correct your posture. By encouraging you to maintain a straight spine and hips, deadlifts are excellent for your posture. Maintain a tight back, a straight spine, and loose hips when performing deadlifts. Better posture is the cumulative effect of these various causes. Studies have shown that poor posture is linked to back discomfort, making it all the more important to work on fixing it. 8. Your grip strength will increase. Deadlifting requires tremendous hand strength so that the weight doesn't slip from your grasp. Practicing with heavy weights over a limited number of repetitions is an excellent way to rapidly improve your grip strength, which will be immediately apparent in your other workouts. Indicators of biomarkers for detecting older people at risk for health problems include grip strength. 7. Enhanced jump performance. Your ability to leap is a good indicator of how well your lower body strength has developed, which is important for a wide range of sports and recreational pursuits. As an added bonus, the enhanced power indicated in a higher vertical leap carries over to other maximal power pursuits such as running. According to the available evidence, deadlifts are one of the best strength training exercises for increasing vertical jump height. 6. Build stronger bones. One of the most prevalent side effects of becoming older and a serious health risk for seniors is a decrease in bone mineral density. The risk of fractures is considerably increased in the elderly due to the disease osteoporosis, which is caused by the progressive loss of bone mineral density. Loss of movement as a result of a fracture might cause a domino effect of other health issues. There is a growing body of evidence suggesting that resistance exercise can mitigate the natural decline in bone density that comes with aging. Deadlifts and other weightlifting exercises are examples of this. Weight-bearing workouts, which force the body to work against an external force, are essential for building strong bones. The part of the body that sees an increase in bone density is the same area that sees higher training intensity. 5. Engage your core muscles. Strengthening the trunk muscles and the core is an essential part of any comprehensive fitness regimen. Studies have shown that deadlifts and other free weight workouts are the most efficient way to engage and strengthen the muscles that stabilize your spine, neck, external obliques, rectus abdominis, and erector spinae. 4. Rev up your metabolism. Many exercise plans focus on weight loss as their primary objective. When trying to lose weight, it's important to burn more calories than you take in during a certain time period. This is especially true when trying to lose body fat. Reduced caloric intake and increased energy expenditure are the two main tenets of conventional weight loss plans. Studies suggest that weight training with movements like the deadlift may be among the most effective ways to improve calorie burn while spending less time exercising in the gym overall. 3. Improved power. In a 2018 article published in the Journal of Yoga and Physical Therapy, researchers analyzed the effects of squatting, deadlifting, and bench pressing on strength and health. The study found that deadlifting improved whole body strength, power, and athletic performance. The deadlift allows you to lift more weight than other exercises that use the same number of muscles. Neurological strength adaptations will occur in the hip hinge position that will transfer to other complex activities like the bench press and barbell squats. 2. Have a less impact on your safety during practice failures. Evidence-based studies confirm the aforementioned advantages. However, deadlifts are a beneficial workout because of the subjective benefits they provide. Deadlifts are a great example since they allow you to lift a lot of weight without having it rest on your shoulders. If a rep fails, you can usually let the weight go without putting your body in danger. Strong training can also be achieved with barbell exercises like the back squat and the bench press. Unfortunately, going as heavy is usually out of the question due to the potentially devastating consequences of a botched repetition. If you work out alone most of the time, deadlifts are a safe way to increase the weight you lift. 1. Straightforward equipment. One last perceptual advantage of deadlifts is the simplicity of the necessary apparatus. If you don't have a kettlebell or barbell and plates, you can use any heavy object with a handle. For all the good they do, deadlifts don't require much in the way of gear or a dedicated facility like a power rack. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.